An introduction video of an ESL teacher is really important because parents and students watch it before booking classes. So, if you're a newbie or if you want to gain more regular students to increase your booking rate and receive your completion bonus, then keep on watching. So see you in my class! Bye-bye! Hi there! This is Teacher Daz and oh no, can you see me? What about now? Who's this? Yo, what's up? How's life been treating you? My name is Teacher Daz. I love teaching. I am friendly, cheerful, and a passionate teacher. I like teaching and I want to help you learn English. So, book my class and let's learn English together. Goodbye. Hello everybody, this is Teacher Daz and I'm going to share some tips on how to effectively create your introduction videos. As you have previously seen, those clips aren't really good examples. So today, we are going to talk about 5 things to help you create your introduction video that will make you stand out from the rest. You can either use your mobile phone or any other gadget that has a camera with high video resolution to shoot your video. However, it is really important to record it in landscape mode. Also, pay attention to your angle. Don't put your camera too close to your face or else you're going to look like this, and this is not a great idea. You wouldn't like it either if you put it way too high or low. Having good lighting can totally change your game. Just imagine, you have everything in place yet you ended up looking like a ghost because you shot your video in a dark place, or perhaps it was against the light. So, you must have a clean background. You can use your Acadsoc tarp and make sure that you're well lit. If you have some lamps or any other light sources at home, you can always apply the 3-point lighting principle. This will help you cast the brightest light, fill in some shadows, and make your appearance stand out from the background. You can also try filming in the morning so you can use the natural light from the sun. Of course, don't record in a noisy environment. Avoid unnecessary background noises from your pets, electric fans, air conditioner, and other things. If you have a little background in video editing, you can separately record your audio from your video. In that case, you can record your audio during nighttime to avoid recording unnecessary background noises. Don't forget to turn off everything that is making noises in your recording area. You need to have a pleasing personality in the video. For you to stand out, you should be confident, friendly, and cheerful when you speak. So how do we become confident? First, dress appropriately. You have to show them that you are a professional. Second, maintain a good posture. Don't slouch. Instead, sit up or stand up straight and keep an eye contact with your camera's lens and not with its screen. Okay? Lastly, you have to prepare a script or even some bullet points of what you're going to say. If you like, you can rehearse your lines before shooting your video. This will help you become more familiar with the flow of your content and prevent having a lot of retakes. Take note, don't read your script, just familiarize it. Alright, this is the last part, but it's the most important one. Let's talk about your content. You can create a good impression by captivating their attention with your simple greetings. This is also your chance for them to get to know you a bit more, and you can do so by telling them your hobbies. Also, you can speak about your qualities as a tutor and your rich experiences in teaching. You can briefly talk about your certificates and highlight your reasons of why you are the right teacher for them. Good luck and have fun making your introduction videos. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know what other tips we can talk about next time. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for the latest updates from this channel. Have a wonderful day, everyone, and stay safe. Goodbye!